it depends on you want left side or right side. Probably doesn't matter. They should get the same ride, in theory.
Yeah.
So, how many kill streams are there open today?
Be the same.
This will be interesting. I don't think I ever brought a 360 on one of these, so. Flippy, flippy. Maybe.
Nu kör vi! Lean your head against the headrest. Have a crazy ride!
Ni får röda och svarta gångorna.
Have an insane ride. Have a crazy ride. Good thing is there's no side-to-side motion. It's just up and down. Yeah. Which is going to feel a lot of pressure on your chest and shoulders. We're heavy on one side. We're heavy on one side. We might flip.
Yeah, I think people on the other side are rather light.
Yes. Here we go. We're at top.
Yep.
We're kind of heavy on one side.
Yeah, we flipped a couple.
Oh, quite.
It wasn't that bad for us.
Oh, we were flipping.
I flipped 2 or 3 times.
Ours didn't flip. Ours was too balanced.
No, we are off by like anything.
Going up the hill, we were like,
You know, I didn't flip once.
Yeah, you need some little kids on the other side.
We started going upside down, right? On the last pole. Yeah, but we didn't flip.
New show. Lean your head to get
That was better than my
It's better than the Green Lantern. It's not just
Ni på den blå och gula gondolerna kan täppa upp era bälten.
I don't know if I'll ride that again.
I'm not riding this again.
I don't need to.
One and done.
credit and forget it.
Commissioner was worse.
So the Green Lantern window was worse? Is it Dreamland or? Oh, that one.
Exit this way.
Oh, sorry.
Watch the kids. Yeah. Yeah, that
All right, got the video.